Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Last time we talked about the present simple tense. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch it before this one, because today we're going to talk about asking questions in the present simple tense. Let's get started. We already learned about the verb to be. If you haven't watched that video, here is a summary. For I, we say am. For you, we, and they, we say are. For she, he, and it, we say is. Let's learn how to ask questions with to be. To ask questions with the verb to be, we put the verb first. So instead of I am, we say am I. Are you? Are we? Are they? Is she? Is he? Or is it? Let's look at some sample questions. Are they at school? Is she Moroccan? Are you reading? Am I late? For every other verb in English, we use the word do at the beginning of the sentence. The rules for do are for I, you, we, and they, we use do. And for she, he, and it, we say does. So if we wanted to talk about reading a book, we would say, does she, he, or it read a book? Or we would say, do I, you, we, or they read a book? If we wanted to ask a question using the phrase eat food, we would say, does she, he, or it eat food? Or we would say, do I, we, they, or you eat food? Let's try this example. How would I ask a question using he and walk to school? I would say, does he walk to school? Or what about this one? What question would I ask with they and sit down? I would say, do they sit down? Thanks for watching this video about asking questions in the present simple tense. I'll see you next time. Shukran. Bye.